I was originally gifted one box of these Vmaisi cabinet locks, and we loved them so much that I actually went back and purchased a second. I am a firm believer that whether your child is frequently getting into things or not, you should make your best effort to baby-proof in order to make your home a safe environment for them, which is why we went ahead and added these cabinet locks to all of the cabinets in our kitchen as well as any in any of our bathrooms. The set comes with 20 of the locks and 2 of these keys with a base. The key is magnetic, and this is what you use to open the locks. And the base can be mounted anywhere using this 3M strip on the back, so you can store the key in a space that is convenient for you. My family decided to mount our key on the side of our row of cabinets, so we can easily take this off, open any of the cabinets that we are trying to open, and easily store it right back here. All right, so let's move down here. These are 2 cabinets that we store all of our chemicals in, so it is really important to us that these stay locked and inaccessible to our toddler. And as you can see, they are both locked using these cabinet locks. I can pull on them, they're not going to open. We mounted all of our cabinet locks right around here, so I can go ahead and use the key. This will open the lock. And then as soon as I close it, I don't have to do anything and it's automatically relocked. So simple and easy to use. And then the same thing on this side, use the key, open it up, and it relocks. I love that they require no thinking, and I know my son is going to be safe. So let me show you a close-up of what this looks like. The lock itself comes with 2 pieces. We have the lock itself and the piece that it attaches to on the inside of the cabinet. This piece is what actually latches your cabinet shut and what our key brings down, which you can see there. And if you decide that you don't want your cabinet to latch for any period of time, you can pull this up and it will keep your latch down so it's not actually going to hook when you close the cabinet. At any point, you can undo that by simply pushing it back up. And then you're back to your standard latching situation. So this is what the individual pieces look like. We have our latch that goes on the door, and it does come with a 3M strip attached to it. So all you have to do is stick this to your cabinet. And this is the piece that goes on the inside of your cabinet. And it also does come with 3M adhesive on it. So you just have to stick this on. And it has a ledge on this side, which is what our cabinet lock is going to get stuck on. I absolutely love that these are so easy to install, and I especially love that I don't actually have to put any holes in my cabinets, though they do include some places where you can add screws if you need that extra support. I also love that these get installed on the inside of all your cabinets, so you don't have any bulky baby-proofing hardware on the outside of your cabinets, which just really makes your house look normal and more aesthetically pleasing in my opinion. Overall, I think the fact that I went back and bought a second box really speaks volumes to how well these actually work. And I really just love having the peace of mind knowing that my son is not going to be getting into any harsh chemicals or medicine cabinets or anything else that he shouldn't be getting into when my back is turned. So thank you so much to the brand for sending these to me so that I could share them with you.